Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into a machine that blends heritage, luxury, and futuristic design into one breathtaking package of the 2026 Mercedes Mythos S-Class. Mercedes-Benz has always stood at the pinnacle of automotive excellence, but the Mythos S-Class takes that legacy and elevates it to a new stratosphere. This isn't just an S-Class with a facelift, it's a statement of what luxury can look and feel like in the future. The Mythos sub-brand, unveiled recently by Mercedes, is their new ultra-exclusive division, reserved for limited edition masterpieces. And the 2026 Mythos S-Class? It's one of the crown jewels. At first glance, the Mythos S-Class looks like it rolled right out of a sci-fi film. Its silhouette is elegant but assertive, with a sleek, low-slung profile and bold illuminated grille that announces its presence in silence. Every line is purposeful, every curve crafted with precision. The massive wheels and elongated body give it that unmistakable grand touring appeal, while the retractable door handles and smooth surfaces scream modern minimalism, and it feels like you've entered a private jet cabin from the year 2050. The cabin is wrapped in the finest materials imaginably. Think hand-stitched leather, polished wood, and metal accents that feel cool to the touch. The digital dashboard flows seamlessly into a massive center OLED display, and everything is customizable, from ambient lighting to massage settings, even scent profiles. It's not just luxury, it's sensory perfection. We're looking at a high-performance hybrid powertrain combining a twin-turbo V8 with electric motors, delivering over 800 horsepower. It's engineered for whisper-quiet cruises and thunderous acceleration. And with Mercedes' latest autonomous tech, the Mythos S-Class can practically drive itself, though you'll definitely want to take the wheel just to feel the power surge. Only a handful of these will be built, and even fewer will hit public roads. This car isn't about practicality or price tags. It's about rarity, prestige, and pushing the limits of automotive art. The 2026 Mercedes Mythos S-Class isn't just a car, it's a legend in the making. Thanks for riding with us today on Rolling Legends. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more.